Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 22, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. 7th row, 9th row, column F, B of 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and first row, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, and 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade and 7th row we have pair numbers 3, 4, 6, 8. That 4 number can't come in these cells. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then column A, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells. 7th grade and third row and first row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 9. Column B, third row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third row and first row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 9. Column E we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column E we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. Then first grade 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. Second row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 9. Column E, column F we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. The 9th grade 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column H we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade and 8th row 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column A we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column A 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 7. Column G we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. then 6 is here. Then second row only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Column I we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second grade and first row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column E we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, two numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, two numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. The 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 8. Fourth row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column A, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C and fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 9. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I and sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 6. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth grade, then in column I and fifth row, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.